Hey guys, it is the 15th of December and we have a Castle 440. These are often pretty fun little picks. Okay, that does not fit, so we take that one. And there is typically a spool or two in here. Just want to find the false set right there. Now to find some spools on one. Let's see, maybe 4, no. Two, and pin 2 opened it. Now I'm not gonna rig, rock, zip, all that when we have spools, but that was a nice little quick pick. But yeah, I do like picking these. They're fun, just like Abe is often high as well. Let's see. Oh, last nail. Oh, I forgot to turn on the light. There we go. Look at that, 15 locks. 9 more to go. Alright, so far so good. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.